Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about whether Intel Arc graphics cards will be worth it. Let's head into it. Intel Arc graphics cards. Intel recently announced that its high-performance graphics based on their Xe architecture will be marketed as Arc. It will be available in discrete graphics cards, codenamed Alchemist, early next year. Arc might be significant because AMD and Nvidia have been competing in this market for decades, and a new challenger with Intel's knowledge and market position could significantly disrupt things. Furthermore, with the ongoing chip shortage and high demand making high-powered graphics cards difficult to come by, the prospect of Intel launching its own line of high-end GPUs could provide some relief to PC gamers tired of waiting for restocks of popular cards like the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 or the AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT.
Every story has an arc. Inspired by this, I would like to introduce our new consumer discrete graphics brand, Intel Arc.
Along with the announcement, Intel posted a video showing modern games operating on a pre-production Alchemist card at what appear to be a high graphics settings. If I were Nvidia or AMD, I'd be sitting up and paying close attention to features like super sampling and ray tracing advertised for the Alchemist graphics cards. For a long time, AMD and Nvidia, mainly the latter, have controlled the gaming graphics market. However, if this video and Intel's prediction hold true in the first quarter of 2022, a third rival in the world of strong gaming GPUs could emerge, especially because Intel appears to be exploring complex graphics rendering features in addition to raw performance. Nvidia's latest GeForce RTX 30 series include DLSS 2.0, which can significantly enhance frame rates without sacrificing visual quality, as well as dedicated ray tracing hardware. While AMD's GPUs are less AI focused, Team Red still has Fidelity FX Super Resolution, which is a sort of super sampling technology that doesn't require AI hardware. If Intel is to compete with the two major competitors, it will have to bring something to the table, given that Alchemist will feature real-time ray tracing, as well as DirectX 12 Ultimate, variable rate shading, and AI super sampling. It appears that Intel is prepared to battle. That's good news, since with more competition in the gaming GPU market, AMD and Nvidia will have to seek performance and graphics breakthroughs if they want to keep Team Blue at bay, and it could imply better graphics cards at lower prices in the near future, which could mean more inexpensive additions to our best gaming PCs. Also, make sure to write your thoughts about Intel's upcoming GPUs in the comment section.
I'm just glad that we have three different competitors. I'm so glad for this. I've been waiting so long to have three competitors rather than these two companies.
Ultra portables with proper gaming power. Speaking of innovation, there's a fair probability that Intel's Xe HPG technology will find its way into additional Xe GPUs, such as those found in Intel Tiger Lake laptop-grade CPUs. While laptops with Tiger Lake CPUs have outperformed predecessors thanks to Xe graphics, the Dell XPS 13 isn't likely to make our best gaming laptop list. However, if more powerful HPG technologies could make their way down to laptop-grade Xe graphics, future ultra-portable computers may have some serious gaming power. Sure, there are already thin and light gaming laptops on the market, such as the Razer Blade 14, but these are still game-centric and power-hungry devices. Intel, on the other hand, could discover a method to get more performance out of its integrated processors by being involved in both the CPU and GPU sides, similar to what AMD has done with its newer Ryzen accelerated processing units, which combine processor and graphics capabilities on a single chip. As a result, ultra-portables might potentially run some modern games at reasonable settings and frame rates without sacrificing bulk, power, heat, or design. And I'm all for a machine that's light enough to tote on a commute, but yet allows me to play a little gaming at lunch when I'm not near a power outlet.
Our vision is to bring frictionless gaming to 3 billion gamers. CPUs, XPUs, memory, interconnect, and software.
Could Intel help fix graphics card shortages? Another benefit of Intel entering the gaming graphics sector is that it might help alleviate the current graphics card shortage, which makes finding Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 restocks or any other new graphics card extremely difficult. While Nvidia and AMD are at the mercy of semiconductor shortages, Intel owns and operates its own chip foundries, giving it greater control over chip manufacturing and the ability to avoid some shortages. So, when the Alchemist cards arrive, Intel will have a leg up in the competition because the latest GeForce and Radeon cards are still scarce, giving PC gamers another GPU alternative. Additionally, if the Alchemist graphics cards are more affordable than its Nvidia and AMD rivals, Intel may be able to steal GeForce and Radeon devotees. As a result, Team Green and Team Red may be more motivated to work hard to get more cards into the market, and as a result, and the nearly year-long deficit, And for individuals planning to build a new PC in 2022, this may make things a lot easier. Of course, this is all supposition, but Intel is painting a favorable image for its graphics and PC gaming capabilities in the future year, and we believe they might definitely be worth it. What do you think about the Intel Arc graphics cards? Will you buy them? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.